Here's a quick answer on how to fix a green screen when playing back videos on your computer. For example, this is the Gigabyte Aero X15. And when I updated Windows, when I opened the laptop up initially, and I played YouTube or Netflix, the videos played back okay. When I ran the first Windows updates and played again, everything came out green screen. The solution to that is to update your Intel video drivers, or basically your video drivers. In this case, you have to update both of the your discrete graphics card, because this has an NVIDIA card in it, but it uses the Intel integrated video card for when you're doing non-demanding tasks for the purpose of saving battery life. So even after updating my discrete video card drivers, by the way, you update your NVIDIA video card drivers on this and other laptops by, if you have an NVIDIA card, go to nvidia.com and search for the GeForce Experience. That's, once you install the GeForce Experience application, you can update the drivers to whatever the appropriate drivers are for your computer. And but anyway, continuing on, for this computer, since it uses both Intel and the discrete graphics card, to fix the green screen issue, I had to go to Intel and download the video drivers from Intel to update the integrated graphics card there, and that solved the green screen issues for me. So, and if you're running a laptop that just runs off of the discrete card, then that's all you'll need to do. And if it's an NVIDIA card, get the GeForce Experience software, and once it's installed, you'll have that icon for the GeForce Experience. And then you update your drivers through the app. And that's it. Anyway, I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, please like, please subscribe if you'd like to see more from me. Thank you for watching.